Hello everyone, my name is Samuel Oyemi. Welcome to H-QTV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to claim your Dawg's token. The first thing, you are going to click on the link in this video description. So once you click on the link, and after you click on the link, if you click on let's go now, so it's possible that it may bring this thing up for you, but if it's bringing something like this, so if it's bringing who are you Dawg, if it's bringing something like this, that means that you need to set something in your Telegram account. So let me show you what you are going to set it to for you to show your real token like this. So if you want it to show something like this, so cancel this first and click the menu by my left side at the top. So after you click on that, go to settings. So once you get to settings, you are going to see your username. So if you haven't set it, you are going to can set it like you can write anything. So if you write your username and somebody else has already used it, you can change it to another username that you like, and you can put number. Like let me say I want to use my name now. I'm going like somewhere now. Let me say Samuel. The name you can see this username is, then I'm going to say Samuel 0001. Can see it's already taken. So let me do it like this: Samuel Awo 001. You can see now that it's available. So that is how you are going to get a correct username with your name. So I'm just going to click on OK, so I can change this to the one that I'm using before, say H-QTV1. Can see, so I'm going to click at the top, that is done. So you can see that it has been set. You are going to come back again to your Dawg, or you can, if you don't find the Dawg, can go and click on the link again, click on let's go. Once you click on let's go, it's going to calculate it, as you can see. So this is your Dawg's token. Now you can see now that it's going to be shown, and please make sure that you do all these tasks. Very important for you to earn a lot of Dawg's token. You can see a lot of tasks. If you do it, you are going to earn more than 30k. You can do all these tasks. You can see. So make sure that you invite a lot of friends. So you invite a lot of friends and you are not say the friend invite here, make sure that they go through the same process that I mentioned earlier, that I told you to do earlier in this video. So guys, I'm going to see you in my next video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video. Peace.